Drop it.
Welcome to our channel Techno Tips and Tricks. So in the last video we have covered all formulas and some basic examples of speed, distance and time. If you have not watched the previous video, the link is in description. Go watch first that video. So in this video we will explain the some examples or more sums on the speed, distance and time which we covered before in the topics. So first question is, a person crosses a 600-meter long street in 5 minutes. What is its speed in kilometer per hour? So basically speed equal to distance upon time. So the distance given in this is 600 meter and the time is given in 5 minutes. But the question is given this, find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we have to convert the whole this in kilometer per hour. So first we'll find the speed in meter per second, that is distance upon speed, that is 600 upon 5 into 60, that is meter per second. We converted minutes into second, and then to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour we multiply by 18 by 15, 18 by 5. This is the procedure. So we got the answer 7.2 kilometer per hour. Cover a certain distance at a speed of 240 kilometer per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in 1 is to 2 1 2 by 3, that is a mixed fraction r, it must travel at a speed of, to solve a mixed fraction we just multiply, that is this, 3 into 1 plus 2, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, that is 5 by 3. The mixed fraction answer is 5 by 3. So the total distance, that is nothing but distance equal to speed into time. So speed is 240 kilometer per hour and time is 5, that is 240 into 5 is 1200 kilometer the distance. So the speed is distance upon time. So the total distance is 1200 and the time which is covered to same distance is 5 by 3, that is I said to how to solve the mixed fraction, that is 5 by 3. So we will divide and we get the answer, that is 720 kilometer per hour, that is the required speed. So the next problem, that is if a person walks 14 kilometer per hour instead of a 10 kilometer per hour, he would have walked 20 kilometer more than the actual distance traveled by him is. So first of all, let the actual distance traveled by him is x kilometer we have taken. So what is given, that is a person walks 14 kilometer per hour instead of 10 kilometer. इसका मतलब 14 किलोमीटर चला है 10 किलोमीटर चलने के बदले. सो ही वॉक 20 किलोमीटर मोर. अगर वो 14 किलोमीटर पर आवर के स्पीड से चलता 10 किलोमीटर पर आवर के नहीं, तो वो 20 किलोमीटर ज़्यादा चल पाता. सो व्हाट इज द एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड बाय हिम. सबसे पहले नॉर्मली एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस को हम लोगों ने x ले लिया, तो x अपॉन 10 दैट इज एक्चुअल डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू x प्लस, दैट इज वो 20 किलोमीटर मोर चला ना, तो x प्लस 20 दैट इज 20 किलोमीटर मोर प्लस डिवाइड बाय 14 क्योंकि उसका स्पीड. तो टाइम तो बेसिकली दोनों का सेम रहेगा टाइमिंग, बट द डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड वी कंपेयर बोथ. So we get the x, that is distance from here, that is 50 kilometer. The next part is, a train can travel 50% faster than a car. एक ट्रेन है जो 50% फास्टर देन कार है. बोथ स्टार्ट फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए एट द सेम टाइम. दोनों एक ही पॉइंट से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं एंड देन टू द पॉइंट बी एंड मूव टू द पॉइंट एंड रीच द पॉइंट बी 75 kilometer away from A. The distance between them is 75 kilometer and at the same time. On the way, however, the train lost about 12.5 minutes while stopping at the station. इसका मतलब जब ट्रेन जब रुका तो वो 12.5 मिनट वाइल स्टॉपिंग एट द स्टेशन पे पहुंचने 12.5 मिनट लगा. तो स्पीड ऑफ कार क्या है, क्वेश्चन है स्पीड ऑफ कार क्या है. तो लेट द स्पीड ऑफ कार भी x किलोमीटर पर आवर. तो स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन कितना होगा, कितना बोला 50% फास्टर, मतलब पहले 100% था कार का, तो उससे 50% मोर है तो 150% हो गया. तो 150% इज 150 डिवाइड बाय 100 इनटू द स्पीड ऑफ कार, दैट इज x. वी हैव टेकन x, दैट इज 3/2x किलोमीटर पर आवर, दैट इज वी गॉट स्पीड. So the total time taken is 12.5 minute, that is the total time of this. So total time, मतलब दोनों का बीच का डिफरेंस, that is 12.5 minutes, that is 12.5 is 125/10 और ये मिनट्स में था तो हम लोगों ने इसको आवर्स में कन्वर्ट किया, that is divided by 60. So we take the difference between the train and the car. So the train distance was how much, the 75 kilometer, that is the 75 divided by x, that is speed of the car, that is the car of the distance, and the other one is 75 distance, the distance is same 75 kilometer, but this now the train speed is 3/2x kilometer. So from this equation the only unknown is x, so we find x from solving the equation, that is 120 kilometer per hour. The next is Excluding stoppages, the speed of the bus is 54 km per hour, and including stoppages, it is 40 km per hour. For how many minutes does the bus stop per hour? So due to stoppages, that is it covered 9 km less, that is obviously 54 minus 45 is 9 km. So हर एक स्टॉप पे रुकने के लिए उसको रुकेगा वो तो 9 किलोमीटर उसको कम लगेगा अगर वो नहीं रुकता तो टाइम टेकन टू कवर 9 किलोमीटर इज 9 डिवाइड बाय ऑब्वियसली जो डिफरेंस डिवाइड बाय द टोटल स्पीड दैट इज द हाईएस्ट स्पीड दैट इज 54 किलोमीटर पर आवर इनटू 60 बिकॉज वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इन मिनट किलोमीटर पर आवर को मिनट में करने के लिए मल्टीप्लाई बाय 60 करते हैं दैट इज 10 मिनट्स. So the next question is, in the flight of 600 kilometer, an aircraft was slowed down due to a bad weather. Okay, so a flight of 60 kilometer, एक 60 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल किया फ्लाइट ने and an aircraft was slowed down to a bad weather. Its average speed of the trip was reduced by 200 किलोमीटर पर आवर. पहले एवरेज स्पीड कुछ था और अभी उसका रिड्यूस हो गया स्पीड 200 किलोमीटर पर आवर से एवरेज स्पीड. एंड द टाइम ऑफ द फ्लाइट इज इंक्रीज बाय 30 मिनट और जो टाइम भी था वो 30 मिनट ज़्यादा लग गया मतलब डिले हो गया उसको पहुंचने में 30 मिनट और टाइम लग गया स्पीड कम होने से. सो द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ फ्लाइट इज तो फ्लाइट कितना टाइम में पहुंचा दैट इज उसका एक्स टाइम क्या है टोटल टाइम कितना टाइम पहुंचा वो. सो लेट्स द ड्यूरेशन ऑफ फ्लाइट विल बी एक्स आर. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो 600 किलोमीटर था एवरेजली तो उसको 600 डिवाइड बाय एक्स दैट इज डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड एक्स इज नथिंग बट स्पीड which is not given. We have taken the time is equal to x. So speed equal to distance upon time. Distance is 600 and time is x minus the slower speed that is 600 upon x plus half. What we have taken the average speed of the trip for 200 kilometer that is equals to 200 kilometer. 30 minute we have converted the 30 minute in hours that is 1 by 2. So we added the time 1 by 2 here x plus 1 by 2 बिकॉज इट्स डिले ना मतलब वो ऐड होगा उसमें इस वाले इसमें टाइम में तो x प्लस 1 बाई 2 इज इक्वल्स टू 200 दैट इज टोटल स्पीड रिड्यूस जितना हुआ. तो बाय सॉल्विंग दिस इक्वेशन वी गॉट x इक्वल्स टू 1 आवर दैट इज नेग्लेक्टिंग द नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ x वी गॉट नेगेटिव वैल्यू बट वी नेग्लेक्ट द नेगेटिव वैल्यू. सो द आंसर इज 1 आवर. अ मैन कंप्लीट्स अ जर्नी इन 10 आवर. A man completes a journey in 10 hours. He traveled first half of the journey at the rate of 21 km per hour. So the speed of the man was 21 km per hour at the first half, and the other half the speed was 24 km per hour. So find the total journey in kilometer. It's simple. So first half the distance let the distance be x. So the first half of the distance it is half into x upon time that is 20 speed that is 21 km per hour plus half into x upon 24 km per hour that is speed. We both equal to 10 that is the total time equal to distance upon speed the same formula. So we get in this equation the only unknown is x. By solving we will get the x equal to 224 km. The next thing is the ratio between the speed of two train is 7 is to 8. The ratio between the speed of two train is 7 is to 8. If the second train run 400 km in 4 hours, then the speed of first train is. So let the speed of two train be 7x and 8x. Obviously the ratio है तो उसका x में 7x and 8x हो जाएगा. Then 8x equals to that is the other train second train equal to speed equal to distance upon time that is 400 is distance and time is 4. So in this equation we got x equals to 100. So by substituting x equals to 100 in the first equation we will got x equals to 12.5 of the first train of the speed. So we multiply the portion of the speed that is 12.5 into the 7 because the original speed was 7x. So the original speed of the first train will be 87.5 km per hour. The next question is a man on tour travel 160 km at 64 km per hour and the next 160 km at 80 km per hour. So the average speed for the first 320 km of the tour is. So here the basic formula of the average speed which I have given in the formula list. All the formula list and all PDF will be given in the description box. Kindly see and download them. It will be helpful for you in the aptitude as well as placement. And if you like our video, kindly subscribe and share, like the channel, like the video, so we can upload more content for you. So this question, the total time taken is not is average speed is nothing but total distance travel divided by total time taken. So total distance travel is 160 plus 160 that is 320. So here the total distance travel is 320 divided by total time taken. So total time taken is nothing but different of we calculate the different distance upon time at both of this. That is of this first half travel, it is 160 kilometer for 64. That so time total distance is time taken is 1 divided by 64 plus 160 divided by 80. That is the other speed. So we get 9 by 2. So we total distance is 320. We divide 9 by 2. That is multiplied by 2 by 9. We get the average speed of at 71.11 kilometer per hour. So the next question is a car traveling with 5 by 7 of its actual speed. So let's take the actual speed be x. So you travel 5 by 7 of it. So it's 5 by 7 x. So it's cover 42 kilometer in 1 hour 40 minute and 48 second. So find the actual speed of car. So this basically question is very simple. Just convert these minute, seconds, and hour in the formally hour format because we given the question is answer kilometer per hour. So that 126 upon 75 hours that is converted, and let the actual speed be x. So 5 by 7 x into that is speed into this time is equal to distance. So speed is 5 by 7x and time is 126 by 75 hours and distance is 42 kilometers. So in this equation the only unknown is x. By solving this we will get x equal to 35 kilometer per hour. The next question is the covering a distance of 30 kilometer. Abhay take 2 or more than the Samir. This type of question comes basically 2 or more than the Samir. If Abhay doubles his speed, he will take 1 hour less than Samir. Find the Abhay speed is. So let's the Abhay speed be x. So total time taken is 2 plus 1 is 3. 3r that is, and the total distance travel, that is the distance travel from this is 30 upon x, that is 30 kilometer divided by x, and the other one is 30 kilometer upon 2x because it double the speed. So we subtract, we will get the time. So by this equation we will get 6 x equals to 5 kilometer per hour. The other question is the robot is traveling on his cycle and has calculated to reach point A to 2 at 2 p.m. If he travel 10 km per hour, he will reach there at 12 noon. If he travel at 15 km per hour, at what must he travel to reach at 1 p.m.? So the distance traveled by is him. Let's take x. So first of all, for this x upon 10, that is nothing but this distance travel is x and divided by 10 because so the robot has calculated the reach at point at 2 p.m. The first speed is 10 km per hour, so distance x upon 10 minus the other speed is x upon 15, that is the other is this. So this and the difference between them is 2 p.m. that is 12 noon say 2 p.m. is nothing but 2 time is 2 hour. So here is 2. So calculating this we get x equal to 60 kilometer. That is the distance traveled by x traveled. So robot was 60 kilometer at 10 kilometer per hour. That is 60 divided by 10. That is 6 hour. Time taken to travel 60 kilometer is 6 hour. So robot started 6 hour before 2 p.m. That is 8 a.m. The required speed was 60 divided by 5. That 5 kilometer per hour. That is 12 kilometer per hour is the answer. It take 8 hour. Next question, it takes 8 hours for a 600 किलोमीटर जर्नी. तो 600 किलोमीटर की जर्नी को टोटल टाइम इज 8 आवर. सो इफ 120 किलोमीटर इज डन बाय ट्रेन एंड द रेस्ट बाय कार, तो मतलब 120 किलोमीटर ट्रेन को लगा और अगला जो बचा वो कार को लगा, तो बचा है कितना 480 किलोमीटर. ऑब्वियसली 600 में से 120 माइनस कर देंगे तो 480 बचेगा. इट टेक्स 20 मिनट्स मोर. इट टेक्स 20 मिनट मोर if 200 kilometer is done by train and the rest by car. The ratio of the speed of the train to that of the car is, so basically we have to find the ratio of this train and the car. So let the speed of the train को हम लोग ने x ले लिया and the speed of the car को y ले लिया. So first of all total time is equal to total distance upon total speed. So total distance is 120 upon x, that is first train का speed, और दूसरा इसमें 480 upon y, that is for car का, और दोनों को total time कितना लगा 8 hours. So that is 1 by x plus 4 upon y is equal to 1 by 15. And next equation was 200 kilometers is done by train. So 200 by x plus remaining is 400 by y is equal to 25 by 3 remaining time. So in this equation, by solving this both equation, we will get the x as 60 and the y as 80. So the ratio of this 60 is to 80 is equal to 3 is to 4. So the next question, a farmer traveled distance of 61 km in 9 hours. A farmer traveled a distance of 61 km in 9 hours. ही ट्रेवल्ड पार्शियली ऑन फुट, मतलब वो चल के 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर गया और बीच में ही पार्शियली बाइसिकल से चला गया 9 किलोमीटर पर आवर में. सो द डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड ऑन फुट इज, तो उसने जो चल के जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल किया वो कितना है. सो बेसिकली टोटल डिस्टेंस हम लोग ने मतलब जो डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बाय फुट जो है उसको एक्स ले लिया, कंसिडर कर लिया. तो सबसे पहले तो टोटल टाइम टेकन इज 9 आवर, तो टाइम इक्वल टू डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड होता है. तो टोटल डिस्टेंस दैट इज पहले तो एक्स अपॉन 4, दैट इज फुट का डिस्टेंस कितना एक्स किलोमीटर था और उसने चला कितना 4 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से, तो एक्स अपॉन 4 प्लस अब एक्स तो उसने चल लिया फुट से, अब बचा बाइसिकल का. तो 61 इज टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल, तो 61 माइनस एक्स वॉज बाइसिकल, तो 61 माइनस एक्स अपॉन द स्पीड ऑफ द बाइसिकल दैट इज 9 is equal to total time that is 9 on. By solving this equation we will get x equal to 16 km, that is the distance traveled on foot. The other one question is a man covered a certain distance at some speed. अभी स्पीड दिया नहीं है. had he moved 3 km per hour faster, जैसे वो 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर फास्टर गया he would have taken 40 minutes less. अगर वो 3 किलोमीटर पर फास्ट जाएगा तो वो 40 मिनट कम टाइम लेगा. If he had moved 2 किलोमीटर आवर स्लोअर, अगर वो 2 किलोमीटर पर आवर कम चलेगा, स्लो चलेगा, तो he will take 40 minutes more. The distance in kilometer is, so we have to find the distance. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिस्टेंस को हम लोगों ने x किलोमीटर ले लिया और स्पीड को y किलोमीटर पर आवर ले लिया. So first of all total time is 40 minutes, that is first condition 40 minutes less. So we convert this 40 into 40 r, minutes को हम लोग ने r में convert कर 40 upon 60. So time equal to distance upon speed, that is x upon y. First of all distance is x और y is speed, and the other that is 3r, 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर फास्टर होता ना वो, तो it is minus x total distance upon time. फास्टर हो गया तो मतलब बढ़ गया y प्लस 3, तो वो प्लस हो गया y प्लस 3 में, इज इक्वल टू 40 अपॉन 60. So by solving this we get this equation, first equation, and second condition was 2 km per hour slower. So x upon y minus 2 in this case, that is slower, that is वो कम हो रहा है, y upon 2 minus x upon y is equal to 40 by 60, that is the second equation. By dividing this both equation we get the y value. By putting the y value in this equation we get the x value. So the x value is 40 kilometer, that is the distance. So thank you. These are the some numericals on the time, speed, distance. Stay tuned and subscribe the channel. Like the video. The more content will be uploaded soon. The next topic of the aptitude will be also uploaded. Thank you.